Roomba is a robot vacuum cleaner developed by iRobot that automatically cleans floors using built-in sensors, brushes, and suction power. It moves around rooms on its own, detecting dirt, avoiding obstacles, and returning to its charging dock when needed. Roomba vacuums dirt, dust, and debris from carpets, tiles, and hardwood floors without human effort. It uses sensors and, in newer models, cameras or LiDAR to detect walls, furniture, pets, and other obstacles, avoiding collisions. Roomba's dirt detect sensors make it focus more cleaning time on high traffic or dirtier spots. Roomba can be controlled via smartphone apps or voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. It automatically switches suction power or brush height when moving from carpet to hard floor for effective cleaning. Its low-profile design lets it reach under beds, sofas, and tables where traditional vacuums often can't.